Hi guys, welcome back to Eat East Indian channel, and today we are sharing with you our ultimate snack platter charcuterie board that you can prepare for New Year's Eve. So you can use home snacks that you might have in your pantry to put this beautiful platter together, and we'll tell you all about how you can be a successful host and how you can put all this together. Now we know big parties are not happening, so you might just be serving this to your own family members or maybe a friend or two who's close to you. Now if there are people in your circle who don't eat meat, then they might get offended if you put everything together. So we have separated meats from the other things that we are serving. And this is all finger food. It's really nice to have this set up. Doesn't take too long to put together, and then you can put your feet up, watch a movie or two, have some drinks, and just enjoy these snacks. So here on our meat platter, we've got some rotisserie chicken. Just go to Costco, buy one of those rotisserie chickens, and then you can just pick it apart and you can serve it with mustard. Now if there are kids, like my kids love eating ham, so I have this honey maple ham here. So not the healthiest, but it's not too expensive. So if you know kids are going to be munching as well, you can include this on your charcuterie board as well. You can slice it if you like, but you can just take slices out from the deli meat that you get and just roll it up, put it on the platter, and I'm sure while eating, crackers and chips, a bite of meat would appeal to your family. We are serving it with dumpling sauce. So to make it a little heavy, almost like a meal, we are including some dumplings as well as spring rolls. Now this is of course optional, and you can have either veggie spring rolls, meat ones, completely up to you. Now Korean jerky that we get from Costco, garlic flavored one, is also really popular among our friends, so we thought why not include that on our platter as well. So chicken, ham, some Korean jerky. You can also include sausage if you like, pepperoni sticks, those go really well on the charcuterie board too. And on one side we've put some heavier items like spring rolls and dumplings. These bite-sized snacks really add a different layer to your snacking board. Alright, so separating the meats aside, keeping it aside, now we'll move on to the other section where you can put crackers, cheese. You don't want it to be too heavy, so we have also included some fruit like blueberries. You can include raspberries or strawberries. Some chips, they are great, whichever flavor you like. There are so many kinds. You can go to Superstore, Walmart, or your other local grocery store, get a couple bag of chips varieties to add onto your board. If people like some spice, you can add some jalapeno pickles or just some jalapenos. They go really well if you have cracker, cheese, and jalapeno on top. It's beautiful, it's yummy, it's delicious. So for vegans, you can also add some dried apple chips, because apples, you can serve them, they get brown, right? So dried apple chips are there on our board. We've also included some hummus. Now I have 3 or 4 different variety of hummus recipes. You can copy them, you can make them. I will leave the link as well below that you can prep. It's cost effective. And different kinds of cheeses, you can include mozzarella, it's cheap. You can include applewood cheddar, that's really good flavor, or smoked applewood, oh so good. You can include blue cheese. We are including brie. Now brie does require a little bit of baking it, so you can just put it in your oven for a few minutes before serving it, so it's easy to serve on chips. So we've got crispers, we've got regular crackers on. We are also including some peppers, so bell peppers, thinly sliced, they are incredible. And then I found these papadum style chips. They were almost in a box like Pringles, but it's actually lentil cracker. Picked it up from Walmart. That is a great addition because it's a different flavor altogether. Add in some popcorn, also include some dry fruit. You can do cranberries, raisins with cashews and almonds. You can have these roasted or just as such. Again, it all depends on your preference, on your guest preference. Peanuts are another great addition. They are a great cocktail food, something to snack on. So variety of different peanuts can be included. You can, roast them, put some honey on it. You can have caramel flavored ones. So many options. Options are unlimited. And this is so easy to put together. Now, if you're really health conscious, you want to include some fresh fruit, then you've got option of including pomegranate because of the color, really pops up your platter. We've got pineapple. We've also got some mango that we are going to be adding on. And again, if you want to have a little bit more depth to your platter, you can include some fries. Sweet potato fries are hit with our kids in the family. We are also including some spicy cheese slices, dumplings, variety of different sauces, like a plum sauce is great, and chips, of course, cheap, easy to munch on. And instead of putting a bowl, why not just put it on a platter so that it all looks beautiful. And you do want to include some dessert. You don't want to make it too heavy, so include like a box of nice chocolates. There are so many different kinds. So yeah, whichever ones you prefer, go for it. Ferrero Rocher is always a hit. Lindor has such great variety of chocolates. You can include that as well. So sweet potato fries, again, super easy to put together. Just put it in the oven. They get ready in no time. You can also make regular fries. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can do like a poutine style of fries as well. Again, it's a great addition to your New Year's Eve, get together. And, I'm hoping or assuming that you might not have get together this year because of COVID reasons. So you might keep it small, but yet you want to be in that festive spirit. You want to, have some fun with your family. So yeah, put this together. And we are not using any fancy ingredient, just, crispers, Korean barbecue jerky, some sour cream and onion flavored chips, hummus, bell peppers, fruits, veggies, brie, and there you've got it. Do subscribe to Eat East Indian.